Linnasulps muudame suplusvee puhtuse jälgimise lihtsaks, et kõik saaksid veemõnusid nautida ilma tervist ohtu seadmata. Euroopa maksab saastunud suplusvee eest kõrget hinda. Igal aastal jääb ettevõtetel hinnanguliselt saamata 100 miljardit eurot väiksema hulga suplejate tõttu ning tervisele tekitatud kahjude ravimisele kulub veel omakorda miljardeid.
Currently, the methods we use for bathing water quality monitoring are derived from 19th century, meaning they are cultivation-based, very slow, and bring us the information, the warning about potential dangers in a week.
Today's monitoring solutions are slow and make it difficult for us to react quickly to pollution sources.
Linnasulps on loodud seda muutma, tuues linnadesse ja kogukondadesse reaalajas veekvaliteedi seire ning reostusallikate jälgimise.
In Urban Deep, we leverage state-of-the-art sensors and machine learning models to provide real-time data. We are developing 3 products: a technology toolbox, a machine learning-driven data platform, and a user-friendly app. Through these 3 key products, we can provide key services to cities, including real-time data, forecasting, and pollution source tracking.
This project offers a solution for us to track water quality nearly in real time, also pinpoint the pollution sources.
Pilootprojekti viiakse läbi Eesti Ülikooli linnas Tartus ning Dublini lahes Iirimaa idarannikul. Selline lähenemine aitab ühendada rahvusvahelise kogemuse, masinõppe, keskkonnaseire ja juhtimise valdkondades.
Our goal is to support our community's well-being by making sure that everyone stays safe and healthy at our beaches. By working together with researchers, we are trying to figure out when and why these pollution events happen, so we can take preventative measures in the future.
Tipptehnoloogilised sensorid tuvastavad vees bakterinäitajaid, samal ajal kui tehisintellektil põhinev platvorm analüüsib ja prognoosib lähinädalate võimalikke ohte.
In addition, we provide microbial source tracking, which means that we can accurately determine the ancestry of these fecal indicator bacteria. Where are they coming from? Are they coming from dogs, humans, birds? So local authorities can use science-informed decision-making to get rid of these problems.
Linnasulps annab linnadele ja elanikele vee seisukorra kohta teaduspõhist teavet, et kõik saaksid aastaringselt ja muretult erinevaid veemõnusid nautida.
Once the solution of the project is live, everyone can check water quality before they jump in.